Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of activating your STC SIM using the Iqama app. To get started, launch the Iqama app on your device and choose your preferred store. Next, open the Mystic app. From the Store section, tap on Mobile and Internet SIM, then select the service you want. Press Activate to continue. Scan the barcode on your SIM card when prompted. After that, enter the P2 number and choose the package that suits you best. You will receive a verification code on your device. Enter it to proceed. Then, finalize your purchase by selecting one of the available payment options. As a final step, complete the CHAPA authentication process. That's all. Your STC SIM is now successfully activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.